Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed out of the way and unbolt your shock. Before cutting out the factory crossmember, take a tape measure and measure the distance between the left edge of your crossmember and your rear shock mount. This will help us when reinstalling the mount later. We measured a distance of 4.5 inches. Then, cut out the factory spare tire crossmember and any obstructions in the work area. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement spare tire crossmember and slide it onto the top of your frame rail using the factory crossmember silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your spare tire crossmember onto the frame before welding it on fully. After welding on your crossmember, use the measurements taken in Step 4 to mark where your shock mount will sit. Please note that this crossmember does not come with a new shock mount. If you are looking to replace your shock mount, we've listed our replacement shock mount in the description below. If you decide not to, you can use the factory shock mount. Next, hold your shock mount up to your crossmember, followed by welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall your shock in bed, then you're done.